militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey. Braid it up in my suizo. Hit them, then I get amnesia. Life ain't getting any easier. Flacosita. I know that I'm not in love. She don't love me either. It's just hard to find a love that she keep on getting deeper. Who said it's cheaper to keep her? I'd rather release her body and give it away like a feature. You know the procedure. Niggas is pretty in the guy, so we stay with the sweeper. I'm rapping 4L in my 20s, so treacherous. Introduce y'all to the leader.
Come to me with all the smoke. I like the money for sure, but I love the hustle the most. She pretty, she show out for toes. And my panties that came with a pole. Know this money bring envy and jealousy. I'm like, fuck it, I want me some more. Hit her from the back, she bent up. Playing with the money, get spent up. Chains on my neck, no Kenta. You the type of girl I pay rent for. Suck it in the car, that's what the tent for. Bought me a plane, not a sprinter. $250,000 on a dental. She say I'm a stepper, but gentle.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking.
Only sign in the game. We the new Lucian Grange. Bring on the rings. A MJ thing. I'm talking to Brady thing. I'm off of the juice. Never could say go to mix. Rocking the bricks out of twist. For puppy can comb. Not acting like Christians in here, but Christian Dior. They own the bigger we get. Gotta thank God for this.
Okay. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Right. Righty ho. Okay. Okay. Welcome everyone. So let me just move this here. And welcome to a new session. Wow, Asian session looked very interesting. Wow. Wow, look how much we moved. Filled that whole area. That is a madness. On the 30-minute time frames, it looks like there's not many top wicks, which is rather annoying. Kind of just trailed down. I wonder if Wix 9 got in over here.
Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems.
Let's take a look to see if Wixie got into anything. Yeah, they kept on closing with no bottom, no top wicks. He could really get in. That's a shame. Okay, so as a stream, we took no trades. Nice.
Buy a zip of weed, hit the club, pay for about 10 niggas to get in.
Let me just put this on. There we go. Okay. So let's take a look at this, right? Yeah. So looking like right now, resistance is kind of forming on Goldie. Let's just do a fresh analysis, right? So yes, the FOMC came out. I didn't even look at the numbers. I looked at the chart, but I didn't look at the numbers. Or was it a comedy show? Yeah, 4.5. Okay, it's what was expected. Always expected. So that's why you kind of see gold last night kind of wick up and down. It's what was expected, right? So nice. Let's just go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Obviously, closed bearish, but not back in the zone. This candle obviously drove down. So let me just write this on. 4-hour time frame as well. So the 4-hour time frame. has made a top wick, looking like it's going to potentially flip over here to maybe continue. Yeah, take a look at the hourly time frame. You start to see the clean zones. Yeah, so the area of interest already was obviously this zone before, but that was an Asian session, right? So this level here to here is the area. We kind of already filled that, which is rather annoying, because that is pretty much the zone that I like. Take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so how big is this zone? Yeah, it's 27 pips. Or to be honest with you, but let's just mark up on the 30-minute time frame. So current support is at 1791. Okay, same on the hourly. So if the hourly flipped and broke the low, yeah, we should realistically come and drive to at least 1787. I think this zone is pretty reasonable to get to. Every single time we come down, if you look here, we always tap 1787. This one here tapped at 89. This one here 87. This one here 87. So realistically, this zone is clean, which is good for us. Which is very good for us. Yeah. Wait, what day is it today? Oh, it's the 15th. I like it that it's 14th. Oh no, 15th. There we go. Cool. Morning, everyone. Morning. Hope you're doing well. Just get this up as well. So yeah, I mean, potentially, I think the cells below would be realistic, because actually, if you look on the hourly, the zone below is pretty clean, and it's big enough, right? So that would be nice. I would have loved the resistance forming there, but there wasn't really much of a top wick. It kind of just launched, so it's fine. 1790.95. 1790.95. Beautiful. So yeah, cells below there would be bloody splendid. Let's take a look at the buys for potential buys. Yeah, I mean, the zone moves quickly, right? But the only issue is we have rejected. So we have rejected them highs pretty hard. But I mean, if you fancy taking buys, you know, you found resistance at this level. Potentially, if you got a continued bullish above there, you can maybe get the retest back to this level. Back to 1800, so you could potentially do that as well. Realistically, I'm looking for the cells now back down. So yeah, good target. 30 pips is so pretty happy with that on Goldie. Pretty simple. Yesterday's trades were very simple. Man. We took 3 trades, 1 break even, another one I classed as a dub, but it wasn't. We had the 50-minute top. But the whole process was beautiful, and then we took a nice GJ sell as well. But yeah, I'll go through them in a second. Let's do GJ over here.
Hey, look, long way from sentimental.
So on the daily time frame, we closed bullish. Very nice. Looking like we are making some support, which is finally good to see in GJ. Yeah, closed back above the previous resistance, which is nice. 4-hour time frames, yeah, they pushed up with some of the news. It was actually the news at 4:30. Sorry, at 1:30. That's pushed that. Yep. So hourly time frame looking like it is making some support, which is good. So yeah, potentially on the hourly and the 30-minute time frame, a closure above. Yeah, there's a little bit of traffic there to the left hand side. Yeah, it's below support actually, and actually to that level. Quite nice. Flipping the daily time frame. So what I'm looking here is, if we flip the daily time frame, the next res would be this resistance here. Yeah, and that zone's big enough, right? So I still quite like that as well. I think that could move quite quickly. Even at the hourly res there with the actual body candle, still 7 pips. You just go break even there. So yeah, I like that. Clean zone above as well. So buys above look very nice. In terms of GJ sells, yeah, I mean, The only zone quite nice is, there's nothing really. This is choppy. Look at the 15, look at all this crap. I think the only thing potentially is the zone below. So if you look at the 15 and the 30 and the hourly, these candles down here are very, very clean. Yeah. So if we do close back in that zone, I think you can take some nice sells. So somewhere like here. That makes sense, right? Because 15 res there, made some support there too. So if you get a closure back in this zone, One 675 and that could obviously drive back down to previous support. These candles in there are very, very clean. This level 43 pips, so it's bloody gorgeous. It's bloody gorgeous. There we go. Okay, so yeah, looking nice now. So we've got our zones up, and now we just wait patient. Goldie is coming down. 4 hours just flipped. So yeah, did anyone take any FOMC trade? I wonder how it actually moved at the start. I actually didn't even see like a stream or anything. Wonder which way it pushed first, eh? Did someone get into sell stuff or buy stuff? Push down first? Interesting. And then just retraced with the news being the same. Makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, so this 30-minute support's way too close to this 5-minute trend line, to be honest. To be honest with you. Racked off resin, went back up, yeah. So, yesterday, guys, let's just take a look at this, right? So, if you actually go back on the stream yesterday, which I don't think you can because I think I played copyrighted music and it's fucking deleted it. But anyway, we'll just go through it. So, in terms of... So, in terms of trades yesterday, what was the whole analysis, right? So let's just go back on both charts, right? So yesterday we talked about trades, right, on gold. We said we wanted really closures below 1806, yeah, this kind of level. So closures below here. Now, why did we say that? Well, because we know that this clean zone below back to 1801 where there's a little bit of hourly res. Okay, simple. Find that zone. That was for me the only trade available on gold unless it came above here. Okay, so bibbidi bobbidi boo, price comes along, we chill, range, and then we got a closure which was this one here below. Started to look good. This one retraced a little bit, so I was like, okay, let's just see when we come retest. Now, what actually happened there was this 30-minute close below, so did the hourly. Next candle came to make a top wick. Next candle flipped. So I actually got in over here on a trade on the 30-minute time frame. Break of the low. This one here. Stop loss above. Now, 15 pips stop. We got to around about, I think it was like 12 pips. No, it came back to the low, so we got stopped out. So basically, the 15-minute closed below, which is great. Next candle at the top made the top wick and then came down, which is unfortunate. If I had to go back, I would have given it a bit more room, because if you look at the 5, price did push, and all it needs to do, I'll show you on the 15, sorry. The 15 had to come and make a retest, right? Next candle closes. Next, make a retest from the level it's just broken out of, which is right at our entry. When it then reflips and pushes, then I should have gone break even, and then I would have got my 1-to-1. Okay, so that's just a little bit of a shame towards the end. Why? But still, the whole process, right? Find the zone, take the trades, and leave the rest, right? Same thing on GJ, right? Go to GJ. We had this zone. Okay, this zone. No, that's Tuesday. I was thinking that's not like how yesterday was. Okay, we had this range. Quite bad price action, maybe a little bit higher up would have been quite nice. But we had a current support. We looked to the left, and the first thing that we talked about on stream yesterday was how clean that this zone is. Okay, this zone's going to be clean. We should fill it very, very nicely. I also pointed out that there was an order block at the bottom of here, which is this candle here. There. But anyway, price closed below on the 30-minute time frame. Price then made a top wick, all that good stuff. Then came back up to retest this. Basically, I saw the 50-minute here. We came back down. I gave it a first opportunity, which is this trade here. We came down, went to about 8 pips profit, then hit break even. Price wanted to come make a retrace, which makes sense, right? Sometimes price needs to do that, right? Price came down. I took a trade here, I think, on that flip to continue down. When we broke the low here, I went break even, and we got stopped out break even. So then what happened was, we like, right, okay, let's wait maybe a little bit longer. It might be a bit too early. Price comes, retests to the level it just came out of, which is great. Retest Asian lows as well. Then price starts to come down very, very strong. For me here, personally, I took a bit more of an aggressive entry because I could have done the hourly break of the lows, but I was like, you know what, I'm confident with this 15-minute time frame. So when this 15-minute time frame closed bearish, engulfing that whole kind of area, I took the sell on the flip of the candle, stop loss above, to then drive down. And there we go, we got the trade over here. Very, very simple because of the fact that if you look at the 30 as well, we were doing the 30-minute resistance forming. So it was a resistance forming in the Asian lows, made the top wick, flipped. And the reason why I took the 15 entry is because realistically here, the 30-minute closed below. You can see, closed below support. So top wick flipped, took the sell there, stop loss above the previous 15, and it was gorgeous. But you can see here that we didn't look at any area that was rather slow or not clean, right? We avoided this area. We looked for sells below in this area and buys above in this area. That's all we did, okay? When we took 2 trades in this example here, one was break even, one was a win, 1.2% gain. This one here, it's a little bit unfortunate in terms of the 15-minute time frame making the top wick, but this one here, same process. Stop loss is 17 pips, went to around about 20 pips. This is the zone that we found. The entry is the easy part, really. As long as you get the zone, you're good. And there you go. That was the day ended, right? Simple, simple, simple. And once once we attack them zones, once we finish the gold trade and I finish the GJ trade, that's the day over, right? Enjoy the rest of the day. I actually slaved myself off for doing an absolute shitload of work, but anyway, I was learning how to I was learning how to proper edit yesterday. So I just did some like little ones. I might post one today, but I posted it on TikTok. But you can see towards the end, I just couldn't be asked to do just the captions because they took a little bit longer than I thought.
I'm done.
I'll just show you. So, filmed this like 2 days ago.
Depends on your circumstances
Added
and also your goals.
captions in to try and get used to doing it.
To university. Whether or not you want to go to university depends on your circumstances. Keeping doors open is options in terms of your own. Kind of
So yeah, just kind of get used to doing some captions and shit. Think it'll be nice. We are always running for the thrill of it. So yeah, what do you think of gold 15-minute time frame? I think it's great, beautiful. Made a top wick, flipped. But if you just listen to what I said for the past 20 minutes, you know that I'm probably gonna wait for a closure below here and then take the sell. Yeah. 3-minute time frame, a little bit of an M, no real retest. It's fair, that's fair. But yeah, I went to a little comedy show last night. It was funny. I enjoyed it. I've got some things actually coming up for the stream to make it a little bit more interesting whilst we're waiting for zones. Because obviously Brian and them have kind of disappeared, doing their own thing right now. For Christmas time, so it's a little bit boring in terms of the banter. So decided to do a couple little quizzes and stuff, which I'm getting sorted out, so that'll be quite fun. Came just now, but it's free clean traffic, or you need to break the line. No, I think a closure will be fine. I think a closure will be just fine, brother. I wouldn't say just a break of the low. I'd say just a closure. The zone below is big enough. Yeah, 28 pips. So yeah, it looks good. The champagne. So tonight I'm gonna give away the magic keys on Instagram. So make sure to like that up. We'll get to it. Nice top wick over here. So great resistance forming. Great resistance forming. Just took 5-minute OB on gold, so 10 pips, got break even. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so actually, yeah, another thing as well. The GJ trade yesterday, right, that we took, which moved very, very nicely. This one here. Where was it? Sorry, no, this one here. Right, we pushed down, and what did I say before? I said there was an order block to the downside. So after you took the sells, some people in the group, because we discussed it, and people who are getting used to taking order blocks, took this order block over here. So this is the order block area. Let's see if you can maybe reduce the stop. Let's take a look at what the stop would have been then. The stop loss was 20 pips. Let's see if we can get maybe a tighter stop. Look on the 5-minute. Okay, yeah, you can. Candle before the push. So there we go. We just pretty much quartered the stops. Let's take a look. Take a quarter off. Yeah, so now 14 pips stop. So there we go. Right, you go. Let's see if it makes sense, right? Overall, we're bullish at the time. Then we came back down. Let's take a look at the higher time frames as well. Yeah, so for me here, it was the finish of the head and shoulders as well, actually, which is nice. Overall direction is still bullish. If you really think of it in terms of levels, we're still always continuing up, etc., etc. Hadn't really broken these major lows. Could break that low, I suppose, but overall, I still think it was a reasonable one for buys. So then what you do is you go, right, okay, if it comes in my zone, I'm going to take a trade. Some people just get in straight away. Some people just wait for the candles to wick out. Some people just wait for a little bit of a jump back up. So let's say that price comes in, you see it starting to reject pretty straight away. So you just take a sell there, stop loss below for 12 pips. Now, in terms of targets, what you're going to do, well, probably target Asian highs again, which is 37 pips. And then, when you look higher up, you're going to target that hole in your zone, 80 pips. So there you go. So the good thing, and the reason why we're trying to introduce order blocks is we can take our normal trades like we did. So order blocks will probably get put in maybe the second quarter of next year, because I'm still backtesting, still going through it. So yeah, after the trades we took here, which is, you know, like this one here, we took, which got break even obviously, but then we also took this one here, which is the resistance forming. Okay. After you took that sell, you can then also take another trade up. So you just got 2 wins in one pretty much motion, just from knowing how order blocks work and also how normal closures below and above work in easy setups, right? So that's why it's quite advantageous. And obviously the R to R and OBs could be quite nice. So yeah, there's a little description. Let's take a look at GJ right now. So tap the Asian highs. 4-hour time frame still looks bullish. Yeah, I still think I like the buys over here if we get there, to be honest with you. I missed this GJ OB yesterday, man. That OB shit doesn't wait straight away. Flies. Yeah, it does. It does indeed. It flies, boy. Take a look at EJ as well. Also take a look at news. Let's take a look. So, Thursday. Sorry, is it Thursday or Friday? That's Thursday. Yeah, wow, a lot of news today, eh? Official bank rates. So the bank rates for pound are coming out. So still a big day. So if you're profitable this week so far, you're doing very, very well. Very, very well. So yeah, let me just watch this Goldie trickle down. 2 minutes time. See if we get that closure. Yeah, we fly 2 pieces. I only took one trade this week, secured 2%. Oh, that's all you need, eh? Okay. So a minute left. See if we get this closure. Goldie, sorry, GJ isn't doing much. I don't really expect GJ to move too much, to be honest, before this news. So we'll see about that. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out, and then if not, I'm gonna if it works, I'm gonna Okay, I can't actually screenshot it, so I'll have to just write it. Okay. So let me just see. So while we're waiting for trade setups, I want to, maybe do some quizzes and stuff. So right now, I found this good one. It's called the 1% Club. It's quite good actually on ITV. So the first question, which is 80%. So 80% of people should get this right? 80% of people. I haven't looked at the answer yet. So let me just write it in the chat. Obviously, I'm just going to test out. This is like live. I'm just looking at the actual thing now. But what I would do is I'd write it in a whole list, and then we can go with them. So let's do this. Let's take a look. Where the fuck do I do a poll? There we go. Okay. So yeah, looking like just gonna close right now. Not above yet, not below yet. Sorry, that's fine. So we gotta wait a little longer. Fucking hell. Fine. And these questions as well for this scheme show, it isn't like just general knowledge, it's just like your brain capacity, like how much you can think. Okay, this is gonna be this. So yeah, I'll have them all in like a big list and shit. Let's see if this is right. Okay. 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 There is no option. Your answer has to just be put in the chat. Okay. Do you know what? I don't know if I would get this one. So let me just do this because obviously the poll right now, there isn't an A/B answer. You just got to do it. So let me just put it in the chat, okay? Let me just put them both in the chat and see what people think, right? Make sure to put your answers in the chat, both Zoom and YouTube. So if planet Earth has a heart, which body parts does Mars have? Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Keep your answers coming in. Ass! Put your answers in, we'll see. Ashira. No, don't say say same. Do you mean same as in like same as in it's the heart? Interesting, interesting. If planet Earth has a heart, which body part does Mars have? I think I've got it as well. I haven't checked the answers yet. Got to do with gravity. Oh, Brian. Okay. So let's take a look then. Let's take a look at the first answer. This is 80%. So I think this is 80%. So 80% of people should have got this right. Okay. A lot of people haven't actually thinging, but you'll get used to it. So, if planet Earth, let me just take a look at the answer. Okay, let me just take a look in the chat as well. Yeah. If planet Earth has a heart, which body part does Mars have? The answer is arms. Heart is an anagram of Earth, and arms is an anagram of Mars. Yeah, it makes sense, because if you look at the Earth, E-A-R-T-H, E-A-R is obviously the heart, and T, and then obviously the Mars is A-R, arms. Very, very nice. So well done. Oh, and this is the good thing. This is the good thing, right? When it gets to the 1% question, there'll literally only be like one person in the chat who gets this right. So maybe you can do some giveaways with the 1%ers. But then that's a bit shan on the people who are fucking dumb, I suppose. But anyway, it's quite fun. Okay, we'll have a little break and then we'll do the next one. Tips are holding up to the cracks in the foundation. Understand, forget. I think I could just do this actually as well for like. So I'll give you a little look at this one. Let's see if this one works. Can you guys see this? No, you can't. Look at that. OBS ticks it off. Okay, I'll do another way to show you it. There's always ways around, boy. So yeah, just still waiting for Goldie to do this. GJ's coming up, but I really don't think GJ is probably the best scenario, to be honest with you, with the interest rates coming out. Huge amount of news. Okay, not the gravity discussion again, Brian. Fuck's sake. It's in the word I got. Okay, but this was weird. Nah, it's not weird, man. It's about your brain. Just think a bit more. It's not just blatantly there. Some of them are very, very, you have to think very hard, right? But that's the whole point of it, right? Not meant to be easy. Not meant to be easy at all. So yeah, waiting for this GJ to come up, waiting for this Scully. See how it reacts to the Asian highs. Take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's still got 4 hour res there, so, and it's actually quite a big res if you look actually to the left. Big resistance there too. So no worry. You know you can wait for the 4 hour to close, or maybe the news. You could just take a buy stop, sell stop. I might do that action, GJ, because interest rates normally push quite hard. Normally push kind of hard. Oh shit! I actually skipped that question. That question was actually quite hard. I think that question was 60%. So that's why people didn't really get it. Okay. Maybe I should go back a little bit. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back and do some easier ones, so people don't feel like they're really dumb. Do another? Yeah, we will. We will. Don't worry. Yes, people are liking that shit. I didn't think like that'd be so sick, because a lot of the time it is just waiting, right? We can talk about trading and stuff, but a lot of the time it is just waiting for the zones, chilling out, vibing. Good for your brain to do shit like that. I'll do another one in a sec. I haven't got it all sorted up yet, but if people like it, I can make a whole list of all of them every single episode and just fucking bash them out. Well, wait, I'll just look at daily on. Sorry, I'll just look at EJ. So EJ time frame. Daily's making a little wick right now. Okay. So yeah, daily time frame right now has got a no top wick. Kind of the same situation as GJ looks like, right? If you actually take a look at it. Yeah, the 4 hour time frame is bullish, holding support. Hourly 30-minute looking like it's kind of ranging, consolidating, not too nice. And obviously it's got that big res as well, right? So that's okay. 144742. Above, not really clean below in terms of the 15 and that, yeah, so that's current price, but I don't really like EJ that much in that point. So, Goldie M on the 3 minute. Yeah, it's not a res, but I see it. You know what I mean? Like if it was there, or like a resistance that we find, then it would be nice. Look at the 5. Yeah. 5 minutes left for this 15. Okay. Come on, Goldie, get down, boy. Can write the next one. This one's actually very, very easy, I think. Yeah, fuck that one. Fuck that one. Skip the retard questions. Can he? No. Okay, sick. Ooh. Okay. So I have just added the new one to the Telegram. And this is it, guys. Crack the code to deduce this 2-word phrase. my god. Lord have mercy. I'm fucking shit at this. Crack the code is used a 2-word phrase. Don't worry, I'm watching Goldie as well. Yeah. Come on, people, put your answers. This is what we should do, actually, because if someone already looks at their answers, then I go, that makes it right. So what the people need to do is, in 3, 2, 1, I have to go, put your answers in. Okay, that's enough time. People, put your answers in the chat. Steve Echo. Minute left. Wow, I think a lot of people are pretty done with that. And did no one get it? Stevie Boy's got an answer. Anyone in the YouTube chat? Anyone in the Zoom chat? 2-word. Once you see some of them, you'll get used to it. Like, you'll get the vibe. It's nothing like. Okay, so the answer to this one was top secret. Top secret, because it's at the top and it's the secret word, right? Secret, that's at the top. I was at the start trying to look at like maybe this letter first and this letter second. Top secret. Wow, that was a good one, that. Damn. Oh my god. I know, innit? That's the feeling you get when it happens. You're like, what? How did I get that fucking wrong? Well, funny. Do 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 do. Okay, the 50-minute close below. Kind of already did that retest there, eh? Stop loss above the previous 15 would be 30 pips. What the fuck? How big is the zone below then? 26. Okay. $50 left for the hourly. 15 minutes left for the hourly. So now you gotta go to yourself. You go, I could wait for the hourly to close. My only issue is the 5-minute here seemed to reject pretty hard. And we've only got one 50-minute closure with the wick still there. And actually also the stops are like 30 pips. 30 pips. Oh wow, this 5-minute trend line actually worked because he didn't close below. Yeah, I think I would go for this if the stop was maybe a little bit better. The reason why I'm a bit cautious now is because this break of the low to the low there is 23 pips. My stop would be 32. So the R to R is a bit shitty. Yeah. We also want this hourly to close below as well, and maybe with the 8 o'clock volume. Get in. So we'll see. You might miss it, but whatever. In terms of the 8 o'clock candle, I think it'd be a little bit safer if you get the hourly closure below. Retest was nice in the 5. Yeah, the previous 5, I think. That one there. Look, like I feel dumb. Nah, you'll get used to it. You'll get used to it. The first couple are quite hard, like the first times of doing it, but then you start looking for like things. Why not current 15-minute stop? Yeah, current 15-minute stop is very, very risky because it hasn't came back to the wicks yet. Also, there's been rejection to the downside here quite a lot of times. So it'd be a very risky play. Let's see if it works out. Yeah, so your current candle, 12 pips stop. 3 minute hasn't keen to retest the level either, so it's just a little bit cautious. Let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, GJ is doing sweet fuck all. Sweet backle. So 11 minutes left for this. Let's see if it dries down. But yeah, for me, if the R2R is not good, if the zone's too small for the stop, I ain't taking it. But looking good though, still in the zone. Let's see if it can fill this area up. Was that a nice little order block before as well when it tapped that Asian low? Oh my god, it did as well. That was nice. Nice. So there's 10 pips, but obviously it stops fucking 30, so you need a bit more than that. Come on, break that low. Just check this that I found. Oh, the A1 setup. Yeah, I know Nick, the guy who made it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. $400. What the fuck? For a little fucking LED. Not me. What does it say? Handmade. 3D printed. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, this is the stock box plus. This is the original one. So let's just say you got into that flip, stop loss above. Sorry, break of the low. You could have got the flip as well, to be honest. Yeah, so if you put this into the thing now, you'd probably be break even now. Hoping it can drive before this 8 o'clock close. It might just be okay. Might just be okay. Let me take a look at GJ. Yeah, still doing absolutely sweet fuck all. So nice, feels so nice. Just the stop was maybe a little bit too big for me. A little bit too large. Good drive though there. I think in terms of recently, how many good drives has there been? It's 7:45, 7:30. Sorry, 7:40, 7:45. There's been some nice ass drives. And then 8 o'clock will just fucking range the whole time. What? Yeah. So looking like the level below, if we get to that, down to that level, yeah, it's a little bit choppy now, unfortunately. So in terms of it though, beautiful man, price came down, made a low, retraced, closure below, sorry, resistance forming. Yeah, that 50-minute bearish one was maybe, you know, a little bit spontaneous after this push down very quickly. But the closure below, if you fancied it, you might have been able to get it with not a bad R to R, but still not the best in terms of stops. But we just ran straight through this. Holy shit. Nice. Oh, don't rub it in, Goldie. Keep on going down now. How many times have people been in Goldie this week? I've been in Goldie. How many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and I shit you not, they have not pushed at all. And look at Goldie now, just fucking dumps. The one time I don't take it. Nice. So tap in 1788. Good work, good work. Clean zone filled nicely, right? But for me, just the stop was a little bit on the risky side. Okay, so this ran because Max didn't take it. I think if the 3 minute over here wicked back up a little higher, then I could have used current candle. But this current high is very, very small. When did you get in? I didn't get in. Didn't get in, brother. Oh, fucking hell, Goldie. Keep on dropping, boy. Yeah. The cleanest candle has given us all week. So, next target would be this order block down here. 1784. 1 second. Same here, closed 10 pips because of the wicks. Nice. I used current 15 stops, don't only but anticipated the volume. Nice. Yeah, I think the 745 volume there was good. And now watch this 8 o'clock do fuck all. Look at GJ still doing nothing. Wasn't entry in the 1 minute, but obviously we are not looking at that, and maybe too close to the hour to close for Goldie. Yeah. How many trades this week have we been so close to a closure? 833, 833. So there, the 45 candles were quite annoying. That 11 o'clock one, yeah, there was always a candle closure. Off from that one. Nice. So yeah, would have played out. So let's just take a look then. So if you got the flip, yeah, maybe the flip was the one because the flip. 28 pips. 28 pips, yeah. Okay, nice. Fair dues. Look at them clean 5 minute candles as well. So yeah, for me here, if I was trading by myself, this is me done, right? I either took the trade or didn't take the trade. That's the zone I wanted. Bosh, done. So that's where you normally see Raja being on very quickly and then just leaving very quickly. It's because he's found the zone. He's either took the trade or hasn't took the trade in the zone. And that's the zone that he wanted. And there you go. So there's the area of interest. Below, I don't really see any, to be honest with you. So that's pretty much gold for the time being. Don't Jason Finn here via... I don't know what Finn's doing. I think Jason's probably doing other stuff. I have no idea. Yeah, they don't come out at the moment. GJ's going to be breaking these Asian highs. See if it has enough volume to continue. To maybe close over that Forex. My god. Goldie better not fly without taking my pending order. A pending order? Where? Have I taken any trades in London? No, I've only taken 2 trades in London this week. Yeah, the rest have been NY actually. Do you get in the shower before you turn on the water? Absolutely hell no. That shit needs to fucking heat up first. Hell no. Hell no. To the no, no. Hell no.
Times that I've seen you lose your way, you're not in control, and you won't be told. All I can do to keep you safe is hold you close till
Okay. Let's do the next question. yeah, I mean, especially when I was learning, like that's one of the things, right? You identify the zone. You didn't identify what trade it would be. For me, here it would be a closure below. It was a resistance forming from the highs as well. It was the hourly flips and stuff. And you know, depending on if you got in or not, that's great. It doesn't really matter. The whole point is the zone and if you're correct or not. And I was. So it's just getting into that process of not getting butt hurt if you miss a move as well. Just go, all right, that's fine. You know, if I got butt hurt about some moves this week, then I would be probably crying right now because start of the week. The gold trade ran a second after we closed, break even. Same with another one yesterday, and then that one there. So you know, but it just stunts your growth. It just stunts you being too emotional about just taking a trade. It's just like doing your job, right? Sometimes you do your job very very well in the day. Sometimes you don't do it so well. The whole thing at the end is if you've got a good percentage gain, and overall, really, just don't waste your time on shitty zones either. Very, very simple. So yeah, looking like it tapped the zone, retraced a little bit of an order block there. Already had it kind of was mitigated there, but for me that's the tap, right? Okay, is the monthly result on your live streams or in all of your trades? All of my trades, yeah. It's Willie would die. Yeah, some fuckwit, and I knew it was gonna happen. I messaged Tyler, I was like, Tyler, can you make sure that no one else can edit this sheet? Literally, I'd say 20 minutes after some fucking donut deleted all my shit. So I had to go and repair it all. I made an extra copy offline. Okay, let's take a look, right? So let's just give it to the people. What type of vehicle can go before ITY? God, to make words. What type of vehicle? Yeah, that's an easy one. That's an easy one. Easy lemon squeezy. I think that was easier than the other one. How does your brain work like that though? For me here it goes, right, well, let's think of vehicles. Let's maybe think of the smallest vehicles in terms of words first, because the part of that will make it easy is a word isn't going to be massively large. And you try car, no, and you try van. Simple. Van. Yeah, my answer is van. Easy. Don't just you wait until these get fucking hard. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. This is the next one. I think this would be getting quite low now. This would be getting quite low. Okay, let's take a look at 8 o'clock then. So 8 o'clock opened. Yeah, Goldie did his thing. GG hasn't really done much, so my areas of interest for GJ is still higher. Let's take a look at gold, my next area of interest. For me down here, there's a lot of levels it can react off for the buys. This one here, this order block can be a little bit cautious, so I'm kind of done with Goldie, to be honest with you, until it comes back above 1796. Okay, next question. Crack the code below. Every day goes like this. If every day goes like this, how do we survive? Come on, Mr. Maths. Come on. Fuck, that's hard. Did a better luck. I have no idea, I'm not gonna lie. No idea. No idea at all. Oh, they're the same. Oh, what the fuck? This is screwing me up because that's skewed. It's not in the middle. It's hard, right? So that was a 35% question. I'm fucking out, bro. So in the game show, like if you get one answer wrong, you're fucking out, right? You are out. So the answer is 4. The number relates to how many times the lines crossed. See, like I'm not even thinking about that. I'm trying to do some fucking. The number relates to how many times the lines cross. Ah, that's such a good one. That one is a good one. See how fast I got that as well? Yeah, Dean, you answered. Good stuff, good stuff. Nice. Well done, it took 4. I didn't even do math. It has nothing to do with maths, it's critical thinking. Or does it just go 1, 2, 3, 4, but just knowing has to do that. That's it. Well done, well done. Some good answers. I had 2 pips. Gold coming back for revenge. A30s? Is that Chinese policy? Oh, it is. No, it's not. It's Swiss. Yes, the official bank rate going to 3.5. Very nice. 3.5. See how that goes. See you later, honey. Love you. So coming back down to that level of support, good stuff. Maybe breaking the lows. I'm having enough volume here to just push. So just tapping the hourly support right now, but looking like there's a lot of volume, so it might get a stinker. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour at support as well. With the volume right now, it'll be interesting. Is it coming towards that OB yet? No, it's got a while. 1784.7. It's got a while. I think if I got in a little bit higher, but realistically that 15 over here, yeah, the closure. That was the only real entry. And the flip. 90 pip. Weekly is holding the resistance on gold with a shift in structure on 4 hour and no more news can go down a bit more. Yeah. In my opinion. For sure with the volume. I mean the zone on the hourly should maybe get to 1784.6, right? 1784.6. Would be the target. That's such a shame that Asian didn't give any top wicks. Wow. Wowza, wowza. Ooh. well, we just pushed down very nice. Good volume on that. 8 o'clock open. That's mad for once. You fucking shit this whole week. Touching 1785.8. Four hours reflipping on GJ as well. Yeah, but in terms of structure, there really hasn't been much going on with GJ. But I don't think there will be until that news comes out, which is at 12. Yeah, so 12. Get ready for that. Get ready for that. Wow, December's actually catching up with the break evens as well. Another 9 break evens. So in terms of where your targets would have been, right? So let's just say that he did get the flip, right? TP1 would have been at that level. Oh shit. TP1 would be right around that area there. TP2 would be looking at the 15, tapping. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah. 1786 would be a nice target. Like that. You see though, even if you didn't take any trades, the zone is so obviously to see here. I think maybe below here it was just the volumes pushed it. I think this could have been actually a little bit harder, but for the most part this is the push there, which is the cleanest one. Very nice. In the hood game act. Let's take a look how the weekly's looking now. Yeah, weekly's rejecting their high at 1801. Interesting. And it's just corrected that whole move. So realistically, 1784, like I said, yeah, it's probably a good target to be honest. To correct that whole push up that it did. That whole push up. It's a bit annoying. I missed that one. It's just the stops were a little bit large. I said 30 pips, didn't I? Yeah, they were 30 pips. Strong 5 minutes though. So nice. Let's just do the next one over here. Take a look how spreads are today, especially after such a big day yesterday. I wonder how the slippage was in FOMC. Did anyone take any buy some sell stops with the slippage? GJ's looking 1.4, 1.5, Goldie very, very low. Good volume in Goldie. Take a look and see how that. I'm seeing how this candle when it made the top. Can we test anything? Yeah, no. Let's have that wick. How much would that wick have gave me? Yeah, much nicer stop. In terms of obviously the news later on. The thing is though, I do predict that they are going to put out the exact same figure, so 50 base points. They've been doing that regularly now. I think 3.5 is obviously gonna be activated, but I think in terms of what happened before, if you look at the US one, they did the same thing and price moved and then it retraced quite hard. Did it retrace pretty quickly, or do you have time to like cruise and shit? Oh no, it moved very quickly at the start. Yeah. Then retraced in the next like hour or so. Okay. That's fair dues. Let's take a look at the Daniel Savage mentorship. Another 100 pips call today. Oh, that was November. What the fuck?
Lose! I don't lose!
Oh,
I win!
fuck off with this fucking.
That's my job! That's what I... Maybe it was your time to lose.
Oh, God, it pissed me off so much. You drinking hot dog water again. Just agua. Yeah, I actually had to unfollow all of the Miami boys. They were actually making me feel a bit sick. It was painful. Especially being in their groups and their fucking group chats and all arguing. Ah, what the fuck? Not on that. But if you got scanned by them, you fucking deserved it because it was so obvious. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Wow, what a stinker on gold. Fuck me. Unclean candles. Holy. Fucking hell, this is nothing. Very nice. Well, wish I took that sell now. What a rocket, yeah. Why you got trading screen when you're not in it? I'll take it off now, don't worry, bro. Don't get vexed. Just discussing what I had in mind. Tapping 1780, great target as well for the next runner. Wow, 100 pip drop. Fuck me. What a rocket. As if they're fighting Mike Tyson. Yeah. Mate, gets the little kids hyped up so they can give them more money, man. That's all that happens. Embarrassing. People fall for it, which is just madness. But anyway, each to their own. Okay. Beautiful on Goldie. That just retraced 4%. What the fuck? Sorry, 40 pips. Yeah, it did. Holy shit. Something's going on over here. Some nice volume. Let me just push that up as well. Okay, next one. So this one's pretty easy. Yeah. People in the Zoomy, put your answer in. Do you not know yet? See, that one for me should be an easy question. That you just start from one, just keep on going up until you get a word. Unless there's one we've missed. I don't think so. you don't love me now. The answer was 10. Easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. So GJ coming up. Interesting. Quite like GJ now. 4 hours coming up. Strong candles, rejecting the lows, a lot of volume. Need to got the math one right. Literally clapped left and right. Literally. Why, Omar? What trades are you taking? The only trade that you should have taken this morning is probably that closure below there. Or the resistance forming if you get in higher there. Okay? And you'll never love me again. Don't ask, bro, don't ask. What a fucking stinker of gold. Wow. EJ coming up too. Broken the 4-hour highs now. Like GJ's coming up also. Very nice. $168,613 target. Let target. Where would you look for gold buys now? If we come to support, which we are now, potentially a retrace back up to 1791. But I think I'd rather be cautious with buys right now. I think for me, buys would be probably easier 1796 back above there, because realistically, like, zone 1. Well, this could be zone 1 right now. This could be zone 2. This could be zone 3. Closure under zone 3 should feel nice. But whatever the fuck gold's doing right now, it is nutting. Yeah, that shit is flying. That shit is flying. Close above resistance and should drive up. Technically we're bullish on daily on gold. Not at the moment. There's nothing bullish about gold at all. So if you're looking for buys right now, please save your money. That's the first rule of trading, I'd say. The first straight rule. But Max, the daily closed above. Yeah, but look at price right now. Should you really be looking at buys right now? If I go to a fucking 3-year-old infant and go red equals sell, because it does, right? No, overall, red candles on my chart look at sells, right? Daily red, 4-hour red, very big red. Hourly, very big red. 30-minute, very big red. 50-minute, very big red. 5-minute, very big red. 3-minute, very big red. 1-minute, very big red. So there's not one time frame that you should be looking at and go, ooh, I like buys. The only thing you're thinking about right now with buys is how much of a gain you can get from swinging it back up. Try and get out of that mindset. Keep with the trend for the most part. It makes life much easier. Right now, there's fuck all. It's breaking daily lows. It's pushing down very, very hard. It's just retraced the whole move it did after the push. So after the CPI, so it's damn bearish. $100 in 30 minutes, not bad. Yeah. After FOMC, it normally is quite aggressive, eh? Gold trace all the CPI gains, 100%. Yeah. I think Paulie was the one that said, you know, when it comes up, you should retrace the whole way. So he's right. It's a shame that all of it was in Asian there, though, to be honest. But next bit was there, critiquing it. I just feel the stops were a little harder side. 28 actually isn't that bad. Right? I was getting on the break below. Gold trace after Powell's speech, yeah. Powley boy shaking it up as usual. Hey. Buys were at Frankfurt close. You mean Frankfurt Open? Like here? I swear Frankfurt Open's at 7. That's when the sale started. Is it not? Five minutes left for this GJ to close. Breaking above that 4-hour level. Daily's about to flip to break previous daily highs as well, so that's nice. So yeah, I might look at these buys over here. Yes, it's also the 30-minute close as well, which is nice. Very nice. So yeah, filling that zone would be good. Potentially 169 if I just get to there would be good as well. Second push. Is it snowing in London? I don't know, I'm not in London. It's damn cold here, I'll tell you that right now. Look at everyone going to work. The little cars. A few minutes left. Just step to the super. Shayo. Oh, fuck. Vibes on Thursday. Thursday's one of my favorite days. I really like Thursdays. No bottom lip. How much would it be actually? Come on, GJ. EJ's already gone, brother. Look at EJ. Fuck. Nice. So broke 4-hour highs. Just broke daily previous highs as well, which is good. Stops are going to be 22 pips. Yo. I didn't close above, you cunt. My only cause of concern is that if it re-breaks that high, daily re-breaking. It's a bit of a shame, but we'll see. Double top. Yeah, it can do as well, especially how it now has it closed above. Yeah, I think this may have just the juice. Oh my god, Goldie, what the fuck? Holy, wow, how much did that fucking trade now? The reason why I quite like this is obviously the higher time frames as well. So I think if this makes a low wick and then breaks the current high, I think I might try and get into a trade over here with the volume. The volume's good. Strange my GJ closed above my too. Oh shit, mine did too. Yeah, I'm gonna get in this feed break. My man will be free. Yeah, it did actually on my terminal. Interesting. How much would the high be right now? 400. Got in at the 400 level. 24 pip stop. Gold spread. Still good, still good. Beautiful, making a top bottom wick over here now. Good stuff. That's what I like to see. Yeah, it's actually closed above my thing. So if we re-break this high, we're gonna be good. I'm gonna get in a little bit lower though, just to re-break the previous high. This has come to the 4-hour break and the daily time frame break in the previous, I feel, volume. Be nice as long as it makes this little wick. Gold was going to drop. Gold has fucking dropped. My God. Gold has dropped. I can tell you that right now. Update trades called. I didn't really call that one. I didn't take it. Oh, I love that as well. You're like, oh, the stops are maybe a little bit too big on the bigger side. 30 pips for a 20 pip gain, but that's fucking ran like 200 pips. Hung out like a madman. So we've got 11 minutes left for this 15. Yeah, we got a lot of time. Good. Get some red bone on. I'll wait for this trade to execute. This is my jam. Your jam after your gold trades. Where would you stop being your broker? 1, 5. 1, 5, 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get on the break of the current high, and I'm going to use current candle stops now. 290. Childish albino. Oh my God. On GG quite wild, yeah, there's a lot of volume. Which is why I expect when it breaks its high, it should push. Breaking the previous daily highs too. Stop loss would be pretty tight as well. Only need 10 pips. Bum, 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 bum. Sounds like Prince. Ooh. Prince. This is a good joint song. 5 minutes left for this 15 to close. Closes back below. Really, really good volume this morning, eh? Goldie. Oh, God, I wish I just sell. Fuck the stop, who cares? Shit ran. 180 pips. Lord have mercy. Okay, so 4 minutes left for this candle, looking like it's not going to close where I wanted to, which is bullish, really. Coming back into the zone, so it's probably going to wait now for the news.
Yes, me friend, me dead on the street again. The bars could not hold me. Force could not control me now.
Bit of Bobby, down. You look at the daily on gold, it had a potential daily runners 72 high, so in my opinion, stops with volume are worth it. Yeah. Yep. The actual stops on the flip actually weren't even that bad. Shim was right next to the 8 o'clock though. That's that. No stop or strategy is the secret.
Don't try to call me on this bridge now. I've got to reach Mount Zion.
Man, look at that fucking injection, boy. Oh! Shitload of volume. I think this will probably just range until that news comes out now. So the only thing that you should ever really wait for now for Goldie is to wait for some retracement and then sell that bitch back down. The first thing, after it drops, the only thing you do is wait for resistance to form and then sell it back down. Okay, it always happens. 80% chance when price makes a resistance, it comes and retests the low. So that's the next thing you gotta do. You gotta wait until it finds the low. Don't predict the low. Don't try and take a sell here now because it can retrace any point and then you'll be slapped. Wait for price to retrace at a certain level, like 1788 probably, or anywhere in this vicinity, maybe even higher to 91. Wait for some resistance to form with some bearish confirmation with 15-30 minute closures, and then take the sells back down to the low, and then there's your trade for the day. Easy. Oh, don't do Omar and do cowboy buys. Why are you doing fucking doing it? DJ, wait, what? GU's dropping low? Yes, this Owlie's got 15 minutes left. Have you heard of ICT? Yes. Don't really know anything about it, to be honest. Okay, let's do the next one. Look, you ICT on YouTube. No, I don't need to look at ICT. Thank you very much. Oh, look at GJ. Holy, what the fuck is going on? Lord have mercy. Getting into a buy on the break of the high again would still be nice, but the stop's huge. That's what I said before with gold. How could you minimize? 50-minute closing anyway, below. DJ is a wild child. A wild child this morning, eh? Oh, the next question. How is that? Right, I'm sorry, guys, but isn't this question very easy? How the fuck is that like a harder one? Am I being dumb or is that fucking easy? Yeah, that's an easy one. How is that like a 30% at one? How the fuck? Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's a 50-minute closed in the zone. Okay, let's take a look at this next one, right? So, let's look here. Which is the odd one out? For me, that's easy. But I don't know if I'm maybe looking at it too easy, but it looks pretty easy. Right? Oh, there's some different answers in the chat. Okay, Steve said C, Flacco said D, Liam said D. Yeah. I see D too, because pause, I isn't think you're pausing something. Pause. Oh shit! No, I fucked it. It's not D. I don't think. You don't pause on a mouse, do you? It's C. Yeah, fucking hell. My god. And then you pause milk. Yeah. It's C. Funny. Why did I think that a mouse was pausing anything? I suppose to be honest with you, I use pause more on my mouse than I do with the fucking pouring of milk, to be honest. Bro, 30%. Click has. Click. Oh my god, that was some fucking beacons. Yeah, GA's just doing his thing. I'm gonna leave it now until news. It's looking like freaky. Okay. If Jack turned 17 yesterday and he'll turn 18 this year, what date is his birthday? It's a 20%. Jack turned 17 yesterday, and he'll turn 18 this year. What date is his birthday? If Jack turned...
Mother, there's too many of you crying. Brother, there's far too many of you dying. You know we've got to find.
What the fuck? Yeah. I don't sell GJ. I'm not fucking looking at that shit. Some people people are saying 31st of December, but I think it's a leap year. I think it's into the leap year because 31st of December, if you were 17, 31st of December, you turn 18 next year. Yeah, I suppose it is, but then my first thing was 31st of December, but so if you turn 17 yesterday and you'll turn 18 this year, what date is his birthday? So this year he'll turn. See? Yeah, I think it is. Let's take a look. I think that one wasn't too bad. Yeah, 31st of December. Very, very good. These are good, boy. I can make a whole fucking thing on these. I won't actually spam them in the Telegram chat anymore. I'll do them in the Discord. I'll put them in like a Discord thing. It means like once you take a trade or once you're waiting for a trade, you just chill out. Fine. Let's take a look then. GJ rejected nicely. 50-minute closed. Was there any M formation on any time frame? Maybe. It's wild. GJ Goldie started to find this low, which is good. 1773. So that'll probably be target for later on. This order block kind of pushed off. For me, I wouldn't take that because it's actually breaking structure now. Like this is the low, this is the next low, this is the next low. Now we're breaking the previous low. That's nasty. Okay, 15%. 15%. I think all of us are agreeing on 7. I definitely failed this one. Not gonna guess. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is. I didn't guess 7 because if March is, I think I may be thinking into this too much. If the 3rd of March are all the same. Well, March, January, February, March is the 3rd month, so that correlates. The 8th of November. November doesn't make sense because January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November is 11, right? So it should be the 11th there. I don't get it. We don't know the reason why. No, I know we don't. We're trying to figure it out, but that's why. Because the 9th make no. Just, yeah. No. Fuck me, that one's hard. Holy. That one is hella hard. Try to think with the days of the month. Ah, is it like a... Is it just a calendar? Let me just see if it actually is, because that shit's mad if you can do that shit in your head. 3rd of March is on a Thursday. But it changes every year, so... I have no idea. Holy shit, that's hard. Let's listen.
And R is the 7th letter of question right.
Oh.
And the 9th letter of September.
The 3rd letter of March. Wait, the 3rd letter of March. The 8th letter of November. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, fuck. Yeah, man. 7. It says the 3rd letter of March is R. The 8th letter of November is R. The 9th letter of September is R. And R is the 7th letter of October. Fuck, it's so easy to look after. Fuck. Get used to doing them. That's a good one. Nailed it. Daniel, doing well. Daniel's doing very, very well. So yeah, as I said, we need to literally just wait for some retracement here. I'll be looking to take sells anywhere where we find res in this whole area later on, 100%. That is what I will do. That is what I'll do. Okay, we'll do a couple more, and then we'll probably leave it off over here. So for me here, I kind of missed my trade this morning. That's fine though, but as long as it worked out perfectly, which it did. Just the stops were a little bit on the high side for the zone.
Take on.
Look at Lash going through them all. It's that 'cause it's gonna dig everything. How the fuck do I turn? What the fuck is GJ doing? My god. My days. Why is this giving me notifications? I told it not to, bro. Oh, it's because he's tagging me. Yeah, for me, on the 15-minute on EJ, closed above. No real retest. Flip would have been a little bit harder. I got stuck at break even there after I pushed. But yeah, 100% the gold trade was the one today. 745 candle, you piece of shit. So that one there, 28 pips. 5-minute time frame with a 3-minute. You could have maybe got the wick that it just broke, which is okay. And then obviously that would have been the nice. But you have about the thing with that is you got to be like raring to go there with the top wick. Get a bit of advantageous. At the start as well, it did move up right at the start, which is good. Helps you out a little bit. In terms of like the targets, as I said, the first target was obviously the first zone. Second target was the order block that it could react off, even though you wouldn't have taken it because it's counter trend. Like it's not continuing the trend. And the next one would be 1780. And then I hit an order block down here. Actually did retrace. As I said, it's not about the volume. I feel a lot of people get worked up on the volume of trades. There's no need. GJ Soup always pays. Yeah, boy, if you could get in, I mean, do you just take it on the 15 flip? How big are stops there? Oh, not even that bad. How are the lower time frames? Yeah, very clean up and down as well, which is good. should also double top field. Right. So I learned a valuable lesson today. Just trade your analysis and not what your heart says. Lol. Yeah, man, 100%. I had one zone that I wanted to target. Push straight through it, so my analysis was right. And that's it. Look at the 4 hour as well. Look how clean that candle is mirrored. Wow. A fucking beauty. A fucking beauty, mate. Yeah, the double top failed nicely. So let's take a look at the 4 hour now. 4 hour coming back down. The daily time frame bearish. So not too bad, not too bad. So when this hourly closes on GJ, yeah, rejected. Nice double top now. And same thing with really gold here, pushing down. But yeah, I mean, the good thing is obviously if you trade 2 sessions, you just go, yeah, now I just gotta wait for the next session, have the little break in between, and then just take the trade. Obviously, this zone up and down has been really clean, so it's perfect for the trade later on. Probably around about 1 o'clock, you'll take it as well, which has been happening recently. And then Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle. Right, so before we leave, let's see if I can do... Okay, let's do the last question. Whoever gets this last question right, the only issue is, right, is that you could have already watched it, right? You could have already watched it, which is a bit annoying, but let's just hope you did. I think we could do like giveaways and shit, but if you've already looked at it, you're just kind of cheating. So we'll do this one before we leave, but it was a good little fun and I enjoyed it. Okay. So yeah, hourly's closed, all that good stuff, right? Last one before we finish the stream off today. This is the 1% question. Only 1% of people get it. What are the next 2 letters in the sequence? This is like hurting my fucking dyslexic brain over here. What are the next 2 letters in the sequence? Yeah, I think Brian, you might be alright there, but obviously the next two letters, so it should be for me here, Sen to P. It's DE. I think it's DE. Fucking just accidentally quit it. Can you just get the answer online pretty quickly? Yeah, you can. Well, we were fucking wrong. Wait, what? What the fuck? It said Kelly could be on percentage. It says the next two letters of the sequence are pretense and percent. But that's not two letters. What's the fucking two letters, dingbat? Oh, there, PC. How the fuck did you guys get that? Wait, let's take a look. Right, so the pretense is a behavior and activity designed to lead others to produce things. That is false. Wait, 1 second. Percentage. Percent. So it's AG. Why is this fucking thing not told me that it's AG? It's not giving me the fucking answer. I want to know this now. Sucks. Whoa, look how many there are. There's fucking loads you can do. That's pretty cool. Anyway. So yeah, discussed today. Goldie sells, GJ buys potentially. Still hasn't closed above yet. On trading view anyway. 30 minute did, then it faked out. Already closed bearish now. So yeah, probably gonna wait for the news here at 12 o'clock. Goldie, as I said, retracements, but if you wanted to take the sells there, you could have if you just expected price to push. But for me here, one of the rules, if I'm targeting a zone that I want to fill, it's gonna be at least bigger or the same as the zone of my stops. My stop loss is going to be around about 28 pips. My TP was going to be about 20, so it's not a good R to R in terms of the zone, but we still pushed, and obviously here we ran very nicely. So thank you very much for coming on, guys. Hope to see you later on. For the NY session, we'll see you guys at 12 o'clock, and then we're doing the sim today as well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on, and peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. See you later, squad. Adios, adios.
See you later.
See you later. We'll get an NY trade later on, hopefully. See you guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Had a great time. Peace out. Oh my god, stretching. See you later, squad.